You're on to your favorite station, Njenje Media TV. Please follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Also remember to subscribe to the channel by clicking the bell icon for notification. I am John Paul Ani. The best description of Project Nigeria. To me, it is the best analysis of Project Nigeria. It's funny that Nigerians were crying over an image that doesn't exist. They made it look like an Igbo thing. Wadume, a kidnapper, had lots of followers, built mosques, and even contested for a political post. Ganduje was caught on camera stealing, but was re-elected as governor. Chief James Iburi held a Thanksgiving service after returning from the prison. A bishop called him the light of Urobo Kingdom. A drug peddler became a party leader in Ogun State. A drug lord built a church in a remote area in Anambra State. A drug dealer was a governor and currently a national party chairman. A fraudster heads the Green Chamber of the National Assembly. A police officer who is involved in an extrajudicial execution was promoted to a high rank. The major part of the music industry is powered by fraudsters. Every form of crime is rewarded with good here in Nigeria, and you expect progress in such society? Most billionaires in Nigeria in Forbes lists were created by social injustice. Nigerian constitution itself, the compass of the society, is fraudulent. Professors and lecturers create a very corrupt system in the academic sector. Fraudulent and corrupt tax systems, corrupt and fraudulent arms of government, very large, insensitive and ignorant followers and voters, fraudulent, corrupt and vile national religious leaders. The military, that one is the devil's goals and objectives. Civil service, untrained, square pegs in round holes, no focus, no direction. Thugs decides election and are given special treatment and are seen as national heroes. Student unions, useless as the P in psychology. We the citizens litter the environment, willingly request to offer bribes to officials to do their work. The bank industry, corporate thieves, scammers, Invictus littered all over bank headquarters. President, live within your means, but not within his certificate or qualification. Nigerians, where is the image? Where is the revolution coming from? Cybercrime, ritual killings, Southwest. Drugs like codeine, heroin, advanced fee fraud, Southeast. Human trafficking, cybercrime, abroad prostitution, you get it in South. Drugs like codeine, tramadol, etc. Fake rice syndicate, terrorism, go to North, you get it. If I hear tarnish our image again, I will locate you and deal with you. Nonsense. It's obvious that the country was designed and structured to fail. It's a jungle. We hunt and kill ourselves to survive. We are not ready yet until when we are set to purge the system of the iniquities and evil tendencies that was corrosive and kept on ravaging the system. John Paul Ani. This is your favorite station, Njenje Media TV. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram